Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscription button. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you for coming back. So today we are reviewing this product. Yes, I realize y'all can see my shadow. That's why I'm doing that. And it is a Shark handheld vacuum, I think is what it's called. So we've had this for since the beginning of the year, I think. I don't know. And I have been wanting to do a review of it, and I just keep forgetting and forgetting and forgetting. So this is the power button. See, in my opinion, it is extremely loud, but it does have good suction. It, as you've seen, it completely sucked up a leaf. Now let's see. Okay, here's what you have to do. It is a self-cleaning product, so let's see. Did I get it? No, I did not. Oh, Lord. Okay. There we go. So that is what it does. Is this a short review video? Yes. Do I like this product? Absolutely. Would I recommend this product? Actually, yes, I would. Just as you can see, we also have another one right here. Because this one would not work, and the company had to send us a new one. So we essentially have two, but this one does not work if you have this part on it. So it only works like this, and it only works sometimes, which I think we had to pay shipping for this. I do not remember, but yes, it can be a bit of a pain in the butt to get onto the stand again so that it will automatically empty. But I do like it. It's a good product to use if you have, in my opinion, it would be a good product for someone who has limited mobility, because it's not extremely heavy and you can somewhat easily get it back on the charging port. And the this is the container for the where it empties into. There we go. I can't think of the word I'm trying to say, so we'll go with that. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see if I can find it on Amazon and link it, because I don't remember where we bought it from. But I will see you in the next video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.